Hey guys, welcome back to my channel.
Hi.
Cadence always loves to join whenever she can, and I love that she's a part of these. So give her some love down in the comments below, or give this video a thumbs up to say hi to Cadence. That way she can see all the highs. She loves to be a part of these when she can, which is pretty much all the time, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, and I'm thankful for that.
I'm 5 years old.
She's 5, guys, and guess what? She's turning
6.
when?
December 5th.
What?
And it's actually before Christmas, so I get lots of presents.
Laundry is something that I do all the time, obviously.
She cleans my clothes, basically.
Basically, I clean her clothes. So it's important to have laundry detergent.
Her clothes, Daddy's clothes, and my clothes.
That's right. I am the laundry queen. And I love...
am the helper queen.
You are the helper queen.
Of laundry.
Yes, she likes to help me move the laundry from the washing machine to the dryer.
Yeah.
And then from the dryer out onto the couch. And then she helps me fold it sometimes.
I put it back where it belongs sometimes.
Yeah, you put your clothes away.
And basically, it's almost lunchtime.
We've already had lunch. What did you have for lunch?
A pancake?
You had that for breakfast.
Oh.
What did you have for lunch?
Oh. I don't remember.
What bag did you have of food in the dentist office?
Oh, bag. Oh yeah, Chick-fil-A.
I was getting concerned there for a minute. I was like, wow. Okay, well, now that you guys are up to date with everything going on in our lives, we are going to make laundry detergent. I have been making homemade laundry detergent for
an hour or two?
Since 2014. This is why I make this laundry detergent. One of the reasons. One of the main reasons is because it's natural and I know what all these products are, and I can trust that they're safe to go onto my clothes, onto Cadence's clothes, and then eventually it sits on our skin for hours and hours and hours, and we sleep in these clothes. Well, not these, but you know, that's the main reason. But one of the other really, really cool reasons as to why I do this is because of this right here. I've been doing this for 4 years. And I have saved so much money. Sometimes I do one batch, sometimes I do a double batch. This last batch that I did, I doubled the batch. So I have double these ingredients waiting for me to put it all in here. I just wanted to show you what one batch looks like other than this. This is technically one batch with 3. What's today? The 14th? It's literally almost been exactly 1 year. And I am just now making another batch of laundry detergent, which means, gosh, that scared me. The cat jumped up on the chair and that literally scared me. Which means that this has lasted me 1 entire year. It all fit in this bucket. These were like $4.28 at Walmart. This was probably like $3. And this was like $3, I'd say. And I doubled it, so 20. And then the bars of soap, these bars of soap, I specifically got these. You don't have to. These were like $5 a bar. But they're Dr. Bronner's. They're pure Castile bar soap. They're natural. I love Dr. Bronner's. And another product that I would use are Young Living bars of soap. But I need laundry detergent and I need to do this quick. So I just bought these at the store. That way I didn't have to wait for my order because I'd have to order them. I should have thought it through and planned ahead, but I didn't. $30 to $40, depending on how, and this is a double batch, so it'd probably be like $15 $20 max if you do one batch. That lasts me about 6 months clearly. So a double batch, I spent maybe $30, maybe $40, and that's for the entire year. This has lasted me, I've made batches that have been smaller batches. They've lasted me, you know, 6 months, maybe 6 to 9 months. Yeah, like about 9 months for this one. It's awesome, it lasts me a long time. I have the recipe written on the top of the lid just in case, because I don't make new batches of it often, clearly. So I always like to be able to know exactly what I need. So I put it on the lid, I labeled this. This is just a hefty bin. I don't know what the size of this bin is, but it holds all of my detergent. I fill this up and I have this sitting on my shelf in the laundry room. So I fill this up to the top and then I just scoop from that. And then when I need to refill, I get this down from the shelf. I refill this. That way this isn't just, it's heavy and it's bulky, and I'm like, I'm not gonna open this up every time I need to do a load of laundry. So I like to put it in a little dish. I've labeled that. I have this tablespoon. This is my specific laundry detergent spoon. So I just leave it on top like that. This scoop I have to go in here so that when I'm ready to refill, I just scoop it and I put it into here. So these are all, it all stays with the laundry stuff. All that this is you just literally put it all in, stir it up. You grate these. So I'm gonna grate these in the food processor that I have, and then mix it all in there as well. I'm just gonna dump all these in. I'm gonna stir it up as I go. That way I try and get it all mixed up as good as possible. And then I'll add the second batch into here as well, mix it all up, and then add those, and then we're golden, and then I can actually start doing laundry again. Okay, everything else is mixed. Now it's time to grate the soaps and put them in. Typically what I do is I open up all of these first, lay them all out. That way I can just boom, 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 get it done. Because once it's on, I just want to do it and be done. All right, so I'm turning it on. Here we go. That just looks like I'm out of here. Looks like cheese in there.
Yeah.
Doesn't it?
Shredded cheese.
Shredded cheese. Do you guys see that? It looks like shredded cheese, like mozzarella cheese. Dump it in. You can go ahead and start stirring that up if you'd like. These will break up too. These pieces are very long. As you're stirring it, it will break them up into pieces. The more they break up, the more they'll be evenly distributed out into the laundry. So,
yeah.
Okay, here we go.
Stirring things.
She's the master of stirring things, guys.
Because you're the queens of things.
I'm the queen and you're the master?
Yes.
So now I'm just gonna incorporate all of the soap as best I can.
Is this your first time making homemade soap?
Nope, I've been making this for 4 years. And as I refill, every time I need to refill, I give it a good stir before I fill it back up. So you're kind of consistently stirring it every time you refill. Okay, so now this is what I had left over, which is fine. So I just fill up the scoops, pour it in. I don't typically stir it up normally. I just throw it all in there. But since there was remnants from the last batch that I made last year in there, I wanted to make sure that it got incorporated with this new stuff. You can add in as little or as much as you want. I like to try and fill it as up to the top as possible. That way I don't have to keep doing this, refilling it constantly. This gives me, I don't know, a lot of loads. If it's like a medium to large size load, I do about 3 or 4 tablespoons. Some people just use 1, some people just use 2. But I do 2 to 4 depending on the size. You have an HE washing machine. It's a front loader. And so there's a space where you can have the liquid poured in, and then if you're gonna use powder, you take that little liquid reservoir, if you will. I take that out and then I just use the powder. I just put the powder in there. It's amazing. I love it. I do a decent amount of laundry. We don't go through our clothes very often, Cadence especially. She has months worth of clothing, to be honest. So like, I can go a couple weeks without washing Cadence's stuff, underwear and all. Typically socks are what we run out of faster for her than anything else because she just has a lot of clothes. So I'm not doing a laundry every day, every other day. I'm doing it once a week, and it depends on how many loads I do a week, to be completely honest. This may last you longer or it may run out faster depending on the loads of laundry you're doing, how much you're using, and all of that. Yay for saving money, yay for it being natural. Let me know if you guys make this detergent. There's different variations and different versions. Some people do different things, they add different things. So you can definitely play around with this, and it depends on what you want to add, the scents that you want to add. I added lavender. Last time I did the Dr. Bronner's bar soaps, I did some lavender and some rose. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Like this video if you liked this video. If you want to see more DIYs from me, let me know in the comments below. I make a video every Friday, so make sure that you click that notification bell. It notifies you every time I make a new video. That way it doesn't get lost in the sea of YouTube videos out there. Thank you guys to all of my subscribers. By now, when I post this video, I will probably have 50 subscribers. 50. Right now I'm at 49. I am amazed. I am blown away. I'm so excited. I'm so happy and thankful to each and every one of you. So thank you guys, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please do. And that's it. Thank you guys, and I'll see you guys next Friday. Bye.